Welcome student standard 8 subject general science. I am Kumawat sir. Now start chapter number 6 composition of matter. Okay. Can you recall first before it first question, what are the various state of matter? Various answer is a state of matter solid, liquid and gases in three stages. Now second question is, what is the difference in ice, water, and steam? Answer: difference in ice in a solid state, water in liquid state, and steam in gas state. Then, third question: what are the smallest particle of matter called? Answer: the smallest particle of a matter is called as atom. Now, question number 4: what are the types of matters? Its types of matter is: first is element, second mixture, third compound. This is your answer. We saw in the previous standard that all the sub object that we see around us and also those which cannot be seen are made of same or other matter. In this 2020 and 21, can you tell this question is not allowed in year, but next year is also solve this question. Here classify the following matter into three groups. For example, cold drinks, air, sarbat, soil, water, wood and cement. Now start classification in solid, liquid and gases. First, cold drink in liquid, then air in gas, sarbat in liquid, soil in solid, water in liquid, wood solid and cement is also solid. This is your classification of given in three groups. Second question is, what are the state of matter that you use in criteria for the above classification? There are many types of main criteria of solid, liquid and gases in shape and size. Then again try this is also totally reduce of this portion in 2020 and 21. After that is not try this. Okay. Take a small mustard seeds in a transparent plastic jar. Thread a long thread at the center of a big balloon by means of a needle and ties it tight. Trace the rubber diaphragm and fix it on the mouth of the jar by means of a rubber band. Pull the diaphragm up and down with the help of the thread, first slowly, then with moderate force and then vigorously. Record your observation in the following table. In this jar, mustard seeds put, then in a following table, mode of pulling the diaphragm up and down, movement of the mustard seeds, first slow vibration in the same place, second with moderator force and vigorous. On the above experiment, we give energy less or more to the mustard seeds by pulling the diaphragm up and down, making them move differently. The particle in the solid, liquid and gaseous state of matter have movement same what similar to that. In There is an intermolecular force of attraction acts between the particle, atom or molecules of the matter. Atom is made up of molecules. For example, O plus O is equal to O2 molecules. The extent of the particle movement is determined by the strength of this force. This force is intermolecular force. The particles of solid are very close to each other and vibrate and their fixed position. In a solid state, in solid state particle of solid are very close to each other. Therefore, intermolecular force is very strong in solid state. Due to this, solid get property like definite shape and volume, and also high density and non-compressibility. The strength of intermolecular force is moderate in the liquid state, though it is not strong enough to fix, strong enough to hold them together. As a result, liquid have definite volume. However, they have fluidity and their shapes is not definite but change in accordance with the container. The intermolecular force is very weak in gas state. Therefore, the constituent particle of gases move freely and occupy all the available shape constantly. Consequently, gases have neither definite shape nor a definite volume. In figure 6.2, in this figure, moment of mustard seed like this solid, their particles are very close in a solid state, having a definite shape and volume. In liquid state, in beaker or water, where the intermolecular force is less than from gas state, their particles intermolecular force is less than solid state. Liquid having no definite shape but having a volume. Now third, gas state. Consequently, gas have neither definite shape or nor definite volume. Schematic representation of a submicroscopic picture of the physical state of matter, and the table 6.3 shows the characteristic of the state of matter. First, physical state of matter. First is solid, second is liquid, and third is gaseous. Fluidity, rigidity, plasticity, and elasticity. Solid, having rigid, plastic, and elastic. Rigid body, volume definite, shape definite, then compressibility negligible, intermolecular force is strong, and distance between particles are minimum. Second, liquid, having a fluid, then volume definite, shape indefinitely, compressibility very small, and intermolecular force is moderated, and distance between of particle is moderated. Gas state in fluid, indefinite shape and indefinite volume, compressibility very high, intermolecular force very weak, distance between a particle very large. The characteristic of a state of matter. So then, can you tell again? Write the composition of the following material by means of chemical formulate and classify them accordingly. Here, name of the material water. Water chemical formula is H2O. Type of matter, liquid. Then carbon, chemical formula is C. Type is solid. Oxygen, O is O2. Then its type is gas state. Air, air, in this air, carbon CO2, then O2, then N2, nitrogen, and also carbon dioxide, as well as some particles. And type of matter in gas state, aluminum, Al, and it's solid. Brass, solid. Carbon dioxide in gas state, CO2. This is the second method of classification of matter. In this method, the criterion used for classification of matter is chemical composition of matter. We have seen in the previously standard that matter is classified into three types. First is element, second is compound, and third is mixture. By considering whether the smallest particle of matter are similar or different and what are they made of. All the smallest particle in bracket atoms is made up of molecules, each in element or compound are alike. However, the smallest particle in mixture are of two or more types. The smallest particle of an element contain identical atom. For example, each molecule of oxygen contains two oxygen atoms in bonded state. The smallest molecules of compounds are formed by joining two or more types of atoms to each other. For example, each molecule of water contain two hydrogen atom joined to one atom to oxygen. The smallest particle of a mixture or atom molecule of two or more elements compound. For example, the main constituent molecules of the mixture, namely air are nitrogen, oxygen, air, H2O. Okay, clear this point. Similarly, etc. Then stop here.